Let me blow your mind about the Geekom Mega Mini G1. The absolute smallest liquid-cooled gaming PC on the planet. Imagine cramming a beast of a gaming machine into something smaller than a cereal box. That's exactly what Geekom did. Why, it's insanely cool. World's tiniest liquid-cooled gaming PC. Seriously, it's tiny. Looks like a sci-fi gadget with transparent cooling tubes. Packs an Intel Core i9 processor. NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU. Gaming beast mode activated. RGB light that makes it look like a mini disco ball. Weighs just 8.2 pounds. Think of it like a gaming console's cooler, more powerful cousin. This little monster can run Cyberpunk, handle 4K gaming, and look absolutely stunning while doing it. Price tag? Around $1,899. Yeah, it's not cheap, but come on, you're basically buying a portable gaming supercomputer that fits in your backpack. Love this tech madness? Hit subscribe, drop a comment and let me know if this mini PC blows your mind.